each grade level is about 130 to 140 students. So our junior class is 135 students. Our cohort of 7th graders coming in will be about 135 students. So our 1-to-1 ratio is great. I get to work with our students, so do our counselors on a one-on-one basis. We all have very good relationships with our students, which means we can hold them accountable really well. Also, we have our Alumni Success Coordinator who follows our students 4 years after they graduate their senior year. So pretty much their entire college or workforce experience after 4 years from when they graduate. So the national average of persisting through college is about 52%. Our average here at Samueli Academy is 84%. The academic success for our students translates and correlates to life success outside of campus, right? So for 9th graders, that means I put together 4 tours each academic year. They're called the Career Exploration Tour Dates. We take them to different companies. Our students at 9th grade, for the most part, don't know what they want to be when they grow up. So we try to expose them to different careers, career pathways, career industries, so that they get a better idea of, okay, this is what goes down. I kind of made the example of Target earlier. Our students kind of assume that all you do is a cashier at Target, but they have HR, they have inventory, they have receiving, they have online orders, they have a plethora of positions within Target. So again, it's more so for that exploration purposes for our students. So that happens 9th grade. They go on 4 tours. We always recruit companies and are actively recruiting companies to do tours at their company's headquarters. Come their 10th grade year, we're starting to prep our students with cover letters, resumes, social media etiquette, email etiquette, professional attire, how to shake hands properly, how to make eye contact, how to communicate, how to show up for an interview, how to ask questions at an interview, how to engage in an interview, how to stand out. 10th grade year is really helping prep them for that because we see a big need. A lot of our students are already looking for jobs in 9th grade and 10th grade. We used to do that at 11th grade. Now we pushed it back because there's a bigger need for that now. So that's our 10th grade year. Come our junior year, our students are participating in summer internships as part of their graduation requirement. So a minimum of 45 hours over the summer. It can be, there's no max, so it can be as long as it needs to be. We have companies that have been with us for some time now and now have created a pipeline for their own companies, which is great. A win for them and a win for us. So some companies grab our students at in sophomore year, offer them internship sophomore, junior, senior year, support them for their next step, whether that's college or they want to go straight to the workforce. We just had a couple previous interns their junior year, now they're sophomores in college, just got fully hired at one of the Cordova Engineering, which is here in Santa Ana. So again, it's creating that pipeline. Our partners benefit from it, so do our students because they get real world success. And then come their senior year, our students are participating in what's called their senior capstone. So they put together a 15 to 30 minute presentation. Whatever creative piece they want to show is great. It could be a poster board, it could be some Google Slides, it could, whatever they want to present. They present in front of a panel group similar to this, composed of advisory teachers, parents, caregivers, and even friends. We just opened it up for friends, and they get to share their statement of purpose. This is what I'm doing and this is why I'm doing it. This is my next step. That's 2-year, 4-year, straight to the workforce.